Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Nilo, and in today's video I'll be talking about a very interesting topic, which is converting decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So if you're a CS student, so for sure you know what are decimal numbers, binary, octal and hexadecimal. But if you don't know or if you don't have any idea, I will just give a very brief explanation on how this decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers work. So basically decimal numbers having base 10, which is that the numbers from range 0 to 9, they all are called decimal numbers, and binary numbers, you know, that is 0 1, 0 and 1s are the binary numbers, and octal is having the base 8, which starts from 0 to 7, and then hexadecimal has the base 16. So now we are going to just write down a code in Python that will convert the decimal numbers into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So this is very easy. For this program we'll be using the built-in function, which will simply convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So the very first thing we need to do is that we have to just ask the user or prompt the user to give us an input in decimal. So for that we'll start just by typing decimal equals to int. We'll be using the input function, which is a built-in function, and then we'll convert this into an integer just because it always returns a string, as I have mentioned this for the 100 times or maybe more than that. And now enter a number, suppose. Now we have prompted the user to enter a number. So for that I will just simply print the decimal number here. The conversion of decimal, the conversion of decimal number, decimal itself, sorry, I have to just print this decimal. Decimal is, so this is how we are going to print this one. And now we are going to use the built-in function, which is in Python and which is very useful. You can use this and you can just simply convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So for that we have a built-in function for binary, which is bin, bin. So bin, and then decimal, is the spelling correct? Yes, the spelling is correct. And now in decimal, sorry, in binary. So this is for the binary conversion, and then we'll move towards the octal conversion. We'll do the same for that. So for the octal we have a built-in function oct or oct, and then we'll go for the decimal one, and then in octal. We'll do the same for the hexadecimal, and for the hexadecimal we have the built-in function hex or hex, and then decimal, then in hexadecimal. So that's it. Now let's just check what the output shows for us. Suppose the output asks us to enter a number. I'll just enter number 5, and let's just check what do they show or what the output shows for us. The conversion of decimal number 5 is 0B101 in binary, 005 in octal, 0x5 in hexadecimal. So most of you might be wondering why that is 0b, why that is 0o, or why that is 0x for hexadecimal. The only reason is that they are the prefixes used for binary. For binary we use the prefix 0b, and for octal we use the prefix 0o, and for the hexadecimal we use the prefix 0x. So yes, that's it for today's video. It was a very interesting one and I really liked it just because we only use the built-in function and it will just simply convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if those who are not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel. Until next video, happy coding everyone.